Have you experienced any branded keyboard for multi-purpose with multi-connection? So here we are introducing you genuine new launch GN-130M mechanical keyboard with attractive colors with many functions. And here is the GN-130M mechanical keyboard black color, and also it's coming with a light pink and light green. This design is made for multi-purpose. You can use for office and also for gaming purpose. So here is the available colors: light pink and also light green. So let's check how it's functioning. This keyboard we can use like wireless keyboard and also like as wired keyboard. So here is the wireless dongle, and also we can see here C port, and also C cable is included. Once we plug here, it will be converted like as a wired keyboard, and for charging also using this same C port. So this is the backlight button. Once we turn it on, it starts functioning, and also by scrolling this we can adjust the brightness for the backlight. Once we scroll left, brightness will go to low. Once we scroll right, it will come to bright. Also by pressing here, we can adjust the mode for the backlight. See, different mode available. While we pressing, we can see. That's it. This model mechanical keyboard, all colors, right now available in our outlets. And also for more details, please visit our website alirshadonline.com. Thank you.